Here's how to get your learner's permit in Virginia. First, schedule an appointment at any DMV customer service centre. When you go, take a completed application for a Virginia driver's licence. If you're under 18, make sure your parent or legal guardian signs the form. If you're legally emancipated, bring the court order instead. You'll also need to bring payment. It's $3 for the permit, plus the yearly licence fee. Now for the documents. Bring one proof of identity and one proof of legal presence. You'll also need 2 documents that show you live in Virginia, like a utility bill or school record. If you've been issued a social security number, DMV can verify it electronically. You don't need to bring the card if you know the number. And don't worry, your parent's citizenship or immigration status doesn't affect your application. At your appointment, you'll take a quick vision screening and a 2-part knowledge test. Study ahead for that. Once you pass and everything checks out, DMV will mail your permit to the address on file. If you've recently moved, update your address with DMV, because learner's permits won't be forwarded by the Postal Service. When you're ready, just scroll back up and click the blue button to book your appointment.